Hello everyone! So in order to add a clock widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G or to open up your home screen, now find a blank space of it and hold it. Find your widgets in the lower tab, tap it, and here you can find a lot of cool widgets which you can add to your home screen, but now we're adding a clock. So find clock option, tap on the arrow near it to see all the variants like alarm clock, digital clock, analog clock, dual watch. So for example, let's add a digital clock. So tap on it, press add, and it will be automatically added. Now you can re-drag it and resize. So to do that, give it a nice hold, keep on holding, and right, as you see, we can re-drag it now. So when you're satisfied with the size of your clock, simply tap on the blank space. Now let's re-drag it through our screen. So find your widget, give it a hold, and as you see, we can freely move it back and forth as we like. If you want to edit your widget, once again, hold it, choose settings, and here you can choose day and night colors, enable or disable this option, so you can choose a black style, a white style, you can choose the transparency of your widget right here, and also if you use in the dark mode, simply leave it as a match with dark mode and your widget will be in the dark mode automatically. When you're satisfied with your settings, simply press save, and that's it. Now I've got your new widget added. In order to delete this widget from the screen, once again, hold it and press remove, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.